I'm Nick Bonner for TreeStuff.com, and this is the Petzl Pantin, one of the lightest weight and most functional foot ascenders on the market. It's got a really lightweight strap, nice aluminum double back, and a standard kind of eccentric toothed cam here. It doesn't have a lockout mechanism though. Let's see if we can figure this out. Petzl instructions, be better if we turn them up the right side. Let's see what we've got here. Luckily, I already have a screwdriver. So we've got a couple parts here. We've got a spring, the catch itself, a long bolt, and a short bolt. First step is to insert the spring into the catch. Got it, done. The second step is to install the catch like this. The spring on the nub there. See how I did that? Got the spring on the nub. And then just push that onto there. Then we're going to take what appears to be the longer bolt and put that in there. And that's captured the catch, and we can see it's kind of working now. We're going to pull the catch back into the locked position and take the male side of the little sex bolt here, thread it in, careful not to cross thread it. Once we have the appropriate tool, we'll simply tighten this down, tighten that up, a little hand tight with torque, and there it is. The Petzl Pantin with an adjustable lockout. Thanks for watching.